How to use WinterPill Winterizer. In this video, we will use the example of AquaPill WinterPill Winterizer. AquaPill WinterPill makes winterizing convenient and springtime opening easier than ever. This innovative formula is specially designed to slowly release a blend of 4 chemicals that preserve your water chemistry and reduce maintenance. WinterPill is ideal for use with winter covers and safety covers and is compatible with all filter and pool types. Equipped with a clarifier for beautiful, clear water, a scale inhibitor for buildup prevention, and a stain inhibitor to protect your pool surfaces, the WinterPill is also packed with natural enzymes that fight contaminants and leave your water healthy and clean. Routine usage directions. Step 1. Determine the number of WinterPill capsules needed according to pool size. 1 pill per 1,000 square feet of surface area or 30,000 gallons. Step 2. Shake well before using. Follow the instructions on the package about removing blue piercing tool. Step 3. Place pill in the water. WinterPill will float and dispense formula throughout the winter season. Step 4. Remove WinterPill and discard in trash next spring. Replace with AquaPill 2 Clarifier Plus to maintain clear, healthy water year-round. Additional information. WinterPill is safe for use in cartridge, sand, and DE filtration systems. It is compatible with all pool surface types and can be used in in-ground and above-ground pools. The chemicals in the WinterPill are safe for the cover and will keep your water balanced and healthy as rainwater and snow melt filter into the pool through the mesh cover. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.